y'all, I'm Rhonda and welcome back to my kitchen. Today I have got one of my favorite little guests here. This is my granddaughter Mabry.
Hey y'all.
Hey. She is going to be helping her Gigi whip up some homemade corn dogs today. She come over for a little while, go for a little swim. And
I got bad sunburned.
She got a little sun, and but we're gonna be making a little goodie, and hopefully it's gonna be good. Y'all gonna like it, and so we're gonna just jump right in. You ready to do this?
Yeah.
All right. What we got here?
So we got hot dogs. They're all wet, so we need to dry them.
We do. So go ahead and dry them off. All right, we got them all dried off. All right, so we're gonna start making our dry mix here. We'll do our wet mix and our dry mix, and we'll just mix it all together. Let them become friends, and we're gonna make some corn dogs. All right, in my bowl already here, I have got 1 1/4 cup of just all-purpose flour. Okay, so we've just got some yellow cornmeal. We're gonna mix this.
Is it okay to do it?
You can do it. Yes. We are going to put in 1 1/2 cups of this yellow corn mix, okay? Here's what we'll do. Let's just move that right there. I'll measure it and you can dump it in, okay? Let's see if Gigi can get this. So we're going to do 1 1/2 cups of the yellow cornmeal. Good. All right, go ahead and dump it. Good job. Let's get our little half spoon here.
We always need the half.
Oh, yeah. All right, hold on.
Okay.
There we go. Dump that one in. So 1 1/2 cups of that. Now we're going to put our baking powder in here. We will use 1 tablespoon. It's all right, lovey.
I have no clue.
It's all right. It's just doing what it wants to do, ain't it? All right, we're going to put a tablespoon of just regular baking powder. This is going to help with the crunchiness of it.
And taste tester, Papa's going to do it.
Oh, yeah, you know it. Now, we're going to do 1/4 teaspoon of just some regular salt. We're going to get that in there.
Just one little tiny
Just
bit.
1 little 1/4 teaspoon of this. Sprinkle it around. Boop, 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 boop. There you go. Now we've got some sugar. You want a little bit of sugar in the corn dogs. And this is, y'all got my little recipe over here I'm reading because my sister-in-law gave me this recipe to try. 1/4 cup of granulated sugar.
So
just sprinkle it, yep. Sprinkle it in there. All right, now where's my little whisk? Now I'm going to whisk this up and get this just mixed up real good. Then we're going to start our wet ingredients before we mix it all together.
The egg.
Yep, you can go ahead and dump the egg in there.
Right here?
Yep.
Where'd that egg come from, mate?
Where'd that egg come from?
From my chicken.
From her
Yeah,
chickens. That's right.
My dad always gets them every morning.
Yep.
Yep. Them good old.
But one
real
of their people has died. Like one of their chicken friends has died, and they have been stretched, and that's why they stopped laying eggs. And now they're back to business.
They were
They're back in
mourning.
business.
They were mourning.
What
One of them died, and the rest of them were
Yes,
mourning.
that's what she's trying to say. One of their little chickens died. They don't know
They
why.
probably had cancer.
She's diagnosing them, y'all. She is my youngin' there.
Oh my goodness.
She's my girl. All right, now we are going to add our buttermilk.
Oh, buttermilk.
You want to always shake buttermilk up. Give that a good old shake.
That looks like a baby.
Yeah, it does, don't it? Here we go. 1 cup. Okay, slow down. Go a little bit more. We want to have enough. Stop. All right, 1 and then 3/4 cup. So you can just fill this. I'll tell you when to stop, okay? Gigi will tell you when to stop. Stop.
Sorry.
It's fine.
Good job.
You did a good job. Go ahead and put the lid back on it. You can just move that behind us, baby.
Okay.
Just get it out of the way. There we go. We're just gonna. Now we're gonna give this just a little mix up. Make sure you get that egg beat up pretty good, okay? We want it to be all mixed in there. Now we're going to add a tablespoon of vegetable oil to our wet mix here. Just keep on stirring. Gigi's going to add to it, okay? We're getting it done. This baby girl loves to help her Gigi cook, don't you?
Mm-hmm.
She has always enjoyed. Ever since she was a little girl, she had her own little apron.
And I still have it. It's over there.
She still has it. She does. Yes, she do. Alright, and then we're going to add a tablespoon of honey. Just another little bit of sugar, just a little sweet.
Teeny tiny sweet dab.
Just a little sweetness to it, ain't it?
Honey is really good. It will make you feel better too.
It's good for you, ain't it?
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, it's from me.
You are right. And I did that, the oil in there first so the honey would just come right off of that. We didn't have to be carrying on with it so much. Now,
I just got my nails done today.
she just got her nails done. Alright, now, we got this mixed and that mixed. Now we're going to mix this together. Can you pour this in there for Gigi?
Sure.
Let Gigi hold that. Alright, we're going to start mixing this in. I'm going to get a spatula behind us.
I'll get it.
And get it right. We're going to just get everything going. Just a flat spatula. That pink one right there. Pink one's good.
The one that I took a picture with.
That's right.
I'll stir it.
Here we go. Let's get the rest of this goodie out of here. Because this, we still got some stuff going on in there.
Yep. I'll stir it. Oh, wow.
Here, Gigi's going to stir that up, okay? You hold this. Here, let Gigi get it because I got to get in there to the bottom and just get it stirred. All right. Now, guess what we're going to do next?
We're
got
going
these sticks.
Yep. Sticks are right over there.
We got them. We about to stick these little hot dogs.
And then we're going to put it in there.
Yep. Now, if this looks too thick, you can loosen it up. This is looking pretty thick. We're going to give it just a minute. And, because you don't want it to be too terribly thin. All right, let's, I got them right here.
Okay. I'll get some and you get some.
All right, we're going to move this mix out of the way. Here, we just set that behind us for right now. Let's put this right here. Now, we'll just start putting these sticks in these hot dogs. I'm going to show you how to do it now, okay? You're just going to try to get it in there. Hold your hand to guide it in there, okay? Because you don't want it to come out the side, all right? Perfect. See, look. That's what we're looking at right there. You doing it?
It's like going like that.
Yeah.
Is this good?
It's good. Let Gigi put it right there in the middle. All right.
Okay. Now we just need to make sure all of them are good.
All of them are good. Just kind of guide it with your hand and hold your hand around it like that. We got clean hands, y'all. Got us some clean gloves. There we go. Perfect. Not so hard that this little stick will break. It'll break off on you. All right. Good job. Good job.
A little bit big, but it's fine.
It's all right. It is going to be just fine. All right, I am going to add just a little bit of just regular, some little whole milk here because it was looking thick. And we wanted to be able to, put those hot dogs in it. Here, let Gigi do it.
Okay.
It's
I'll
all
clean it
right.
up.
It's okay. You don't worry about it right now.
Okay.
We'll get it in a minute. We want it to pour in this glass. We got this big old glass right here.
Stir the hot dogs in it.
Yep. Now you want a tall glass that you can actually dip the hot dog in, and we did get the bun length hot dog. So I was like, Lord, I need a tall glass. So we had to look in there hard to get us a glass, didn't we, baby? All right. You can put that over there.
Okay.
Whoop.
Yep.
It's all right. Pour this in here like so. And we almost ready. Look at that. Perfect.
Good job, May.
Good job. Now we have these are going to be delicious. You gonna take some to your brother, let your brothers try it, right?
And Maggie.
And your sister, all your sister.
And I hope Mama will like it.
Yeah, they'll like it.
Mom always says, maybe why is it so soft or hard sometimes?
All right. All right, now we're going to get our oil hot and start getting these hot dogs dipped and ready for that hot oil.
There you go.
All right, we have got this one all dunked in, and you just want to kind of twirl it when you pull it up there. Going to get some of that, but you want to get all that, some goodness on it. We're going to put it away from us so that grease don't pop on us. And look at her go, y'all. This is sizzling. That's what you want. Go ahead and dunk another one right in the middle. We'll get it all up on the top of it. You can just pull it up, sweetheart.
Okay.
Here's what Gigi show you. Get it all around there like this. Then we're just gonna pull it up.
Twist it.
And we're gonna twist it when we look at me doing the same thing. Hello. These things are thick, y'all. There we go. Get another one, dunk it in there. All right. I better start to flipping this one. It's getting brown. Woo, look at there, y'all. Look at it go. Woo. We don't have to twirl it until we come up with it. I'm going to lay it to the side like this because the very end ain't got nothing on it, does it?
Yep.
There we go. We got us a little spoon. We will fix that. We like to do little fun stuff, don't we, baby? We like fixing little fun
It's smelling
stuff.
good.
Oh, Gigi.
Oh, we'll flip this one around too. All right. Up it goes. Give it a twirl. Let's put another one in there. There we go. She's looking good, y'all.
Ain't they looking
We'll
like
put another one
good
in
old
there, sweet
corn
baby.
dog to me?
I can't wait until we try.
I know. You gonna help Papa with the taste
What?
testing?
You think you gonna take my
Oh,
job? What
she
you
can
mean
do it,
there?
Papa.
Wait a minute.
I took my mama's job from Nana.
Oh, you did?
Oh my.
You need to take the spoon.
Just kind of put it on the top there. Give them a little twirl. They looking good. Might need to put a little more milk in it. Look at that. Here, let Gigi help you.
Thank you.
Yeah, Gigi help you. She got all kind of little goodness on her. It is thick, y'all. It thickens up.
And it's oh, Gigi.
I got it, darling. All right. Let's just get these three. And we'll finish the other ones in a minute.
I'll do it.
All right, we're going to put this last one in here. And we won't keep you. We're just going to get these out. And show you and tell you what they taste like in just a minute. Woo, Lord, look at there. All right, y'all, we are done with these. You think they're going to be good, May?
Yeah.
All right.
They sure smell good.
Mm-hmm.
They're looking like corn dogs.
They looking
so good.
They're
Looking like corn dogs.
to me.
This is something you can just whip up yourself, ain't it? You can do it. All right. Y'all ready to taste them?
Yeah.
All right, let's do it. Say, hey, y'all.
Hey y'all know what time it is. It's time for Papa to come on in. Come on, Papa.
It's his favorite time, ain't it?
It's the
Yeah.
favorite time.
And me and Papa get to taste test.
Yes, she's very
Yeah.
excited. She's going to be tasting too.
Wait a minute.
I have-
You think you're going to get to take my job?
No, you still have your job. I'm your
Assistant? You are my assistant? Okay.
Yeah.
I got a good assistant, y'all.
Great assistant.
Okay, so grab on one. Which one sauce would you want?
I would prefer the mustard. Which one would you want?
Ketchup.
Ketchup.
That's my girl. That's
Wait a
my
minute.
girl.
Y'all let us know in the comments what y'all eat on your corn dog. Is it a mustard corn dog
Or tea ketchup.
or a team
Team
ketchup,
ketchup.
corn dog? Yeah, let us know who y'all pull
Team
for.
ketchup.
Tea mustard or tea
Papa's
ketchup?
definitely mustard.
Probably me.
All right.
What
Y'all
we
ready?
gonna see? You gonna check in the comments and see what they say?
Yeah, probably.
Okay.
Okay, Gigi, you want to grab one too?
I'm going to watch y'all. You go ahead.
You first.
You go ahead.
Okay.
You give it a dunk. Tell us what you
Ah!
think. Give it a dunk. Tell us what you think. Just hold the hot dog. Oh. I hope it's cooled off.
It's so good.
Oh,
All
really?
right.
Is it taste as good as a good corn dog at the fair? Yeah, better.
Oh, y'all,
better.
fair corn dog. Oh,
You're the best.
they are the best. Go ahead, Papa. You give it a
All right,
whirl.
I'll get in there with you.
Oh,
Look at there.
Ew.
Y'all, look at there. That looks pretty good.
it looks
This is better.
Ketchup. She knows what's up. What you think, Papa?
Y'all, let me tell you, that is fantastic. Absolutely
stuff.
fantastic. I can go back every second.
Don't eat the stick. You can just pull that stick right out, y'all.
I'm trying to.
All right, just pull it out. Gigi will get it for you.
Y'all, I'm gonna tell you, it don't get much better than that. That's as good a corn dog as you could eat.
Oh,
Ain't that right?
Sweet baby.
Yeah.
Y'all did great. And our granddaughter, she is gonna be an awesome cook. She loves being in the kitchen.
She's 9 years old, y'all.
Look how tall she is at 9 years
9
old.
years old. She
My
is.
papa thinks I should be in basketball, and I'm
Papa-
actually really
Papa.
good at it now because he teaches me.
Well, I try. We
Yeah.
I think that, you got height. You got one thing they can't teach.
I'm 5'4".
I think you're a little
5'4".
bit
I
taller
think you're
than
a little
that. You might
taller.
want to
I'm
measure
5'4".
again.
No, my mom said that. She's
Okay,
telling
well,
the truth.
Okay.
Yeah. All right, y'all. Y'all do this. Cook this for your little sugar babies.
Yeah, get them in the kitchen
Get
with you.
your little sugar babies in the kitchen with you, because they will enjoy it too. And we cooked up something good, delicious, and we about to have us a good little corn dog.
Treat. Good treat.
Good little treat.
Party!
Yeah,
That's
corn dog
right,
party.
that's
That's
And
right.
me and Gigi last night, we had like a candy party, right?
Oh, we
let's
telling
her
her,
tell it. Let's her tell it.
telling our business, Lord.
No,
Lord.
it was really fun.
It's
Papa didn't have no candy. I did good.
He did good. Us not so good, but
Oh, still slim.
it's
You
all
are.
right.
You're very slim. You're pretty.
All right, y'all. Thank y'all so much for watching.
Yeah, we appreciate it. Thank you.
We do. We appreciate it. And y'all let us know what you think.
Yeah, if you give them a try.
If you give them a try, if you cook them up, let us know what you think about it. All right, y'all. Till next time.
Peace!